thank you so much for being here and watching. I'm super excited because I finally received my Ipsy regular glam bag, or the Ipsy Glam bag for February. I received like my ultimate and my plus, like seems like the first week of February. If you missed those videos, I can link those down below. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty subscription. They have 3 different subscription options like I kind of just alluded to. So the one we're opening today is the $12 bag. So in this bag you get usually around like 5 deluxe size items, but you also get some full size items. I think it is 100% worth it, and it all comes in a cute bag you can reuse. Well, usually they're really cute. We'll have to see what the bags look like, or the bag looks like this month. The bags for the ultimate, I really like the ultimate one, and the plus were super cute too. If you are interested in joining Ipsy, I will leave my referral link down below. If you use my link, I get some like points to shop on their website, just so you know. So when you sign up, you'll get a referral link like that as well. The Ipsy Glam bag always comes in a mailer bag like this every month. So yeah, let's get this open. And by the way, if I have any active giveaways going on, which I do at least the time I'm filming this, I will link those down below if you have not yet entered. So there was one item outside of the bag, and this is the bag. This is, oh, I love it. It's velvet like the ultimate bag, but just smaller. I love the colors. So it's like this like maroon pinkish bag, and it feels really nice. Awesome. Let's see if there's a card in there. I didn't have a card with information on either my plus or my ultimate, so let's see if it, wow, so on my regular glam bag they do have some information here. So I guess Feel the Love is the theme for February, and it says, treat yourself. Your 5 pick for you glam bag products valued at $50 or more are here to make you swoon. So let's start with the item that was outside of the bag, and this is actually a brush, which I would consider a full-size product. I got a lot of brushes this month in my subscriptions. I think I got brushes in both my ultimate and my plus, I don't know. But this is by the Beauty Crop. I've tried their makeup. I actually love their bronzer, but it seems like they don't use, make it anymore. I have it on today. It's like the Beauty Crop bronzer in Sardinia Sands. Really like it. So this is their F203 powder brush. And this has a retail value of $13. So this is more than the bag itself, and it's the very first item we opened. I will definitely try it out. Because yeah, only tried their makeup, not their brushes. So this is the Beauty Crop Pineapple Powder Brush, Truth. When we get our hands on a makeup brush that's pretty and effective, we never let go. Use this ombre pink and blue powder brush to apply loose and pressed setting powders, powder foundation, blush, or bronzer, and to set makeup and NYX shine throughout the day. Plus it's 100% cruelty free. Awesome. So far so good. Next, oh my god, this is, I'm so excited. I honestly had no idea what was in this bag. Sometimes I peek, and I think I may have, I don't remember this, but this is by Viseart. I've never tried a Viseart shadow before. So it says Viseart Shimmering White Gold Shadow selected from Viseart's iconic Paris Nudes palette. Viseart palettes are so expensive. They're like 80 bucks. Oh, and it slides out. So, I mean, it's not like the most exciting color, but definitely is a wearable color. And I'm really bad at reaching for singles. But I am excited to try this out. That would be like a good inner corner highlight. So maybe just to keep this nearby when I have palettes that don't have a shade like that. But let's see what it says. So once in a while we get our hands on a product that makes us feel like $1,000,000. And this buttery gorgeous gold eyeshadow is one of them. It's made with high quality natural derived ingredients, and like all Viseart products, it's tested by a pro makeup artist, and you know it's good stuff. And it says apply some of the eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes for a luminous look. That's what I was saying. So the full-size version of this product is $80. So how many shades come in it? I don't know. But this is probably worth at least a few dollars. Next up, this looks like it could be a full-size, it's a hand cream. Got a lot of these in Ipsy this month, but it's fine. This is by Mercy Handy Hello Sunshine. It's like a good size for your purse. So yeah, it's just a hand cream, and it's full size and the value is $7. Let's take a sniff. So there is a safety seal on it. I always have hand cream on me because I can't handle washing my hands and not applying it after. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I seriously dot my nose in everything I sniff. But it smells good. I think Hello Sunshine's a good name for it. It's like citrusy a little bit, uplifting. I'm okay with this. Okay, is this a full-size item? Seriously, I think the regular Ipsy Glam bag is better than all the other ones, and it's the cheapest. This is by Half Caked Super Glazed Lip Cream. This is the outer packaging. And I think the brand, or the color name is Slight Work. It says Babe Tested, Vegan Approved. And this is what it looks like. Definitely full size. This is awesome, and it is $10. It says this may be our most kissable lip formula yet. Tacky, sticky, goopy, none of the above. The vitamin E infused formula makes your lips smooth, never sticky, and tints them with a gorgeous peachy nude color in just one swipe. P.S. This baby is 100% vegan and cruelty free. And it says give your go-to nude lipstick an instant upgrade by layering this peachy nude gloss right on top. Maybe I'll try it, but let's swatch it first. I hope it smells good. You would think Half Caked would smell like. Oh, it's actually fruity. I was about to say, you'd think Half Caked would smell like cake or something, like you know how a lot of lip products do. But it smells fruity, so. Oh, it's pretty pigmented. I like this. I have a lip on now. Where's a little mirror? I'm gonna try this on. I like it. I think that works well. The lip color I have on is Ofra Liquid Lip in Pasadena. And I think this goes well with it. And my eye look. Full size items, yes, and we're not done yet. We've got one more item, and this is the item I customized. So with all of the Ipsy bags or boxes, you get to choose one item. And when I saw this, I had to pick it because I've heard such good things from some beauty YouTubers I watch. This is a pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. I hope it's a good shade match. Sometimes I get slightly darker colors. This is an LG6. I believe this range has 100 different shades, which is crazy, but also amazing so everyone can find one for themselves. So this is 7 mLs. The full size is 30 mLs and $36. And it says this 4-in-1 foundation multitasks almost as well as you do. It immediately conceals, corrects, and blurs imperfections with full coverage pigments while simultaneously helping to improve skin health with a cocktail of antioxidant-rich vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts. Okay, so let's get this open. There's that little baby safety seal. I love getting foundations. I got a full-size foundation in my Plus, which of course I chose. Try not to put too much on my hand because I don't want to waste it. I'm definitely going to be using this tomorrow. It looks like a little goes a long way. So I think that might be a good shade match. Hopefully it doesn't like oxidize too much. I think it's Raw Beauty Christy that loves this foundation, right? But wow, a little bit goes a long way. I could like spread that all over my hand. So I'm super excited about that. You guys, I think this was a great month. We've got multiple full-size items, 3 full-size items. Okay, so we start off with a brush, a powder brush too. So I definitely will get some use out of this because I apply powder all the time, and you can use brushes really any way you want, but I'll see how I like it best. We got a hand cream, full-size, and this lip gloss, and I really like the gloss. And I get to try a Viseart shadow for the first time, exciting, and a foundation I've been dying to try. I am super excited. So what is like my favorite? I mean, I'm probably the most excited to try this foundation, but I think everything's pretty great, and I will use everything. Like, it's not super exciting getting hand cream, but this is a large amount to get in your bag. And what was the price of this? $7? The brush is more than what I paid for the bag. I don't know. I think this was a great month. You guys have to let me know, are we bag twins, or what did you get in your Ipsy bag this month? I honestly think for all of the Ipsys, like the Ipsy Plus was pretty good. I liked it. The Ipsy Ultimate was just meh, like it has been the whole time. This got me the most excited, I think, and this is the cheapest and most affordable option. Like if I had to keep only one, I think I would keep the Glam bag, just the regular $12 one. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!